You're in luck because there's a second floor of the same size. Okay? So there's 2 floors for 7 people, men and women, right? Hamsters and otherwise. Okay, so you can give these kids, and then I set 4 chairs. I set the commander's chair, and the pilot chair, and the mission specialist chair for the flight engineer and the mission specialist, 1 chair, and I put the kids in the chair. I describe each of the positions of the commander, what he needs to do, which is eat anybody's food that he wants. He's in charge of the whole deal. He or she, the pilot, they do whatever the commander says. They bring down the landing gear, they pull out the parachute, they worry about rendezvous, they do all the things that the commander says, and they have the worst job imaginable on a space shuttle, which is clean the toilet. They're responsible for the toilet, right? You don't want to be the pilot when your commander spies a Baby Ruth flying through the... It could be a Baby Ruth. We have Baby Ruths in space, but you don't want it to be the other kind of Baby Ruth. Because he can reach up and go, hey, oh! Right? Because then you're in big trouble as a pilot, okay? And then you have the flight engineer right here, and their job is to quarterback. They're the quarterback of the flight deck team, right? They make sure if the commander reaches for a switch that he's at the right place. Okay, they can't always see, but he's supposed to go slow enough to tell them where he is, so they go, good switch or bad stop! Don't pull that one, we'll die! Not that that's ever happened. Now, the other guy, or girl, mission specialist 1, has a very important job as well, but you don't have, your room's getting tired. I love to do this because if you do what, I played football in college, we used to do this, forward and back, it's good for those belts and those traps, and just keep up. I didn't say put them down. See, this is another lesson in following instructions. They're going to hate me when it's over. But, as they hold their arms up beautifully, we go back to the mission specialist 1, right? And their job is to record failures that occur. It's more important in sims than it is in the real world because usually not much breaks in the real world. But in simulation, stuff breaks all the time. And the mission specialist 1 has to write down what failed and when, and then they go to their book and they look up what happens, right? If you lose main bus A in your electrical system, well, there's a lot of stuff that lives off of main bus A. Well, we have procedures we can do to bring... Oh, you wuss. Come on. Okay, put your arms down and give them a big round of applause. Feel the burn. Feel the burn.